Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're going to dip into a topic the most beginners ignore, but pros live by. That's it. Risk management in trading forex. This is one of the most important things you'll ever learn in the trading journey. So why? Because you can have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't manage your risk, you'll still blow your account. I hope you've gotten me. So if you're serious about growing in forex and keep your money safe, stick with me to the end of this video. So we are just about to touch very sensitive matters, and remember, as you trade, you're always supposed to protect your capital. Always protect your capital. Always protect your profit. Always protect your money. Always protect your money. Yeah. So what is risk management? Let's start with the basics. Risk management, by defining risk management. So risk management is all about protecting your trading capital. Hey! It's all about protecting your trading capital. Yeah. It's not it's how you control how much you could lose on a single trade and how you can plan for survival. It's not just winning. Remember, if you enter a trade and you get out of the trade with at least the capital that you entered with, you've won that trade. Winning is all about coming back with the capital that you entered with. Are we clear? Winning is all about getting out of the trade with the capital that you entered with. Either it just comes out just the way you entered the capital. If you entered the market with $5, make sure that $5, if it didn't come back with profit, make sure it comes back just as it is, $5. Don't get out of the trade with less than the capital that you entered with. That's the secret. So always protect your capital. Getting out of the trade with the capital that you began with, it's a promise for the future. That shows that you still have tomorrow is another day to trade. You will have capital to use tomorrow, and that's what is important. So I'll start by saying, think of it like this. If you went to war with only one bullet, would you shoot it carelessly? No, you would aim it carefully. In forex, your capital is your weapon, and risk management helps you use it wisely. Good traders don't aim to win every trade. They aim to win more than they lose and protect their losses, so they can stay in the game long enough to win. Yeah, be sure of that. That's an example of a good trader. So we'll talk about the golden rule: never risk more than you can afford to lose. So the golden rule number 1 in trading: you only risk money you can afford to lose. Again, I remember I once mentioned that don't bring your money that you're supposed to go buy supper with, money that you're supposed to go pay school fees with. Don't bring it into trading. Once you enter that money in your account, in your broker's account, that money has gone. Morifa, that money is no longer yours unless it comes out with profit. Yeah, that's the only way you will get it back, unless it comes out with profit. If you've entered money that was supposed to be used in other places for other purposes into trading, forget about that money. That money is no longer yours unless you trade it wisely using good risk management, and you are maybe able to double it or get some money, some profits. That's when you can say at least you have some cash, some profits on you. So you only risk what you can afford to lose. This means don't trade your rent money. Don't use your emergency funds. Don't borrow money to trade. Hey. Start small. It's not about how fast you grow. It's about how long you survive. Huh? Even professionals start with a demo account or start live account or small live account while they practice risk management. How much should you risk per trade? One of the most common beginner mistakes is risking too much on one trade. Professional traders follow something called the 1% rule. This means you should risk no more than 1% to 2% of your trading capital on any single trade. So that the trading capital that you are thinking of starting with, calculate it's 2%, it's 1%, and know that's the amount you should be risking per trade. Let's break it down. If your account has $100, you risk 1%, $1 per trade. Let me repeat that again. If your account has $100, you risk $1 per trade. If you have $1,000, you risk $10 per trade. If you have $5,000, you risk $50 per trade. That's it. Use that limit that I'm giving you. It means it may seem small, but that's the point. Survival first, profit second. Losing trades are part of the game, but if you risk too much, one bad trade could wipe you out. Risk to reward ratio. Here's where risk gets interesting. Let's talk about the risk to reward ratio. This is how much you are risking compared to how much you are trying to make. Examples: 1:1 ratio, you are risking $10 to make $10. 1:2 ratio, you are risking $10 to make $20. 1:3 ratio, you are risking $1. You are risking $10 to make $30. Smart traders aim at for at least 1:2 or 1:3 risk to reward. That means even if you only win 3 out of 10 trades, you can still be profitable. Let's say you lose 7 trades, that is 7 times $10, that is $70. But you win $3, that is $3 times 30, 3 times $30, that is plus $90 profit. So your profit will be $20. You're still on profit. The aim is to keep your capital and still have some little profit. This is how professional traders take their trades. They manage losses and let profit run. So using stop loss to take profit. A key part of risk management is using stop losses and to take profit. A stop loss is a preset level where your trade will close automatically if the market goes against you. A take profit is a preset level where your trade will close in profit once your target is hit. I hope that is well understood. So why use stop losses? Because the market is unpredictable. A trade can go wrong at any time. Your stop loss is your safety net. Never trade without a stop loss. It's like driving a car without brakes. Example: you buy Euro USD at 1.1000. You place a stop loss at 1.0950. That is 50 pips risk. You place your take profit at 1.1100. That is 100 pips reward. That's 1:2 risk. 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This gives your trade room to breathe, but protect you from big losses. Let's talk about how to calculate your position size. Your lot size. Your lot size should match your risk plan. Here's a simple way to calculate it. First, decide how much you want to risk, say $10. Number 2, know your stop loss, the stop loss distance, say 20 pips. Number 3, use a position size calculator like maybe pips lot size calculator or my FX book position size calculator. It will tell you the exact lot size to use This way you'll never risk more than you had planned. So my tech tip is never guess your lot size, calculate it every time. Use those two sites that I've given you, Baby Pips lot size calculator or my FX book position size calculator. So let's talk about avoiding over leveraging. A leverage is like a knife. It can help you or hurt you. Forex brokers offer high leverage, like 1:100 or even 1:1000. That means you can trade big amounts with small money, but high leverage can blow your account fast if you're not careful. Start with low leverage, trade small. Once you master risk management, then slowly scale up. Let's talk about managing emotions and staying disciplined. One of the biggest enemies of good risk management is emotion, especially greed and fear. Greed makes you overtrade. Fear makes you panic and close trades early. That's why you must have a trading plan and stick to it. Set your risk, your stop loss, your target, and even walk away. Don't babysit every candle. Discipline is what separates losing traders from winners. Lastly, let's talk about journaling and reviewing trades. You can't improve what you don't track. Use a trading journal and record where you enter the trade, your risk amount, your reward goal, whether you followed your plan, and the results. After every week, review your journal. Look for patterns. Are you risking too much? Are you closing trades too early? Are your setups solid? This is how you grow. So that's a deep dive into risk management in forex trading. If there is one thing I want you to remember is this: protect your money first. Grow is second. Grow it second. You don't have to win every trade, but you must survive long enough to learn and improve. Remember, we are surviving by protecting our capital. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know what your current risk per trade is, or if this helped you think differently about managing your trades. Until next time, trade smart, not just hard. Bye.